Now the last thing is to put all those moduli in their place. So they had a silicon compound, heat sink compound, which is something that creates a better thermal connection. So again, let's put the gloves. So when you have a glove like this, you can do a simple thing. Okay, no, it's better to do this. Okay. You know what? I wanted to blow some air in it, but it's better not to touch these chemicals with your mouth. They're not very dangerous, but who knows? Maybe they are. Okay, so here we have a little piece of paper that we can use like this with the tweezers. So this is like a cream. We need just a little bit because otherwise it's a mess. If you put too much, then it's a mess. Okay, here and here. Okay. Okay, then this is the bottom and this is the top. And I marked the moduli like this. Up R, which means upright. That one was here. And so we start from those two ones. Down left, which is this one. So let's put a little bit of heat sink compound here. So these things are interesting because they are so small, but they say that they have an output of 100 watts. It's written here. Maybe it's possible to see this. So I've found the datasheet of this. They have a performance of 86% of conversion, which means that only 15% of the total power is depleted as heat. So this makes something like 15 watts or something like this, which is still a little bit. So if they are not dissipated, then they will get very hot very soon, and also then they will be damaged. So we need to make sure that the heat is conducted to the heatsink. Okay, let's do like this. This will mix the cream. Okay. Now nobody has to move it because the cream is in contact on both sides. So let's put the screws. Okay. This screwdriver is too small for this job. Let's take a big one. Okay, so first we tie the screws, not too much, a little bit. Okay, now that they are all pointed, we start to Okay, tie them a little bit more, but not too much. You don't have to destroy the component. If we were a professional, we had dynamometric screwdriver, but this is a luxury. Nobody has this at home. Okay. So we just take more care. Okay, then we do this. Also on this one. Okay, now it's kind of distributed. What is this? Ah, no, it's up left. Okay, this is down right. This goes here. Okay, we save this for later. Okay, a piece of paper. This piece of paper is too small. Let's take this one. Okay. Let's put it. Okay. Now let's do the same thing. So let's put the screws back. Again, we put them with a little bit of torque. And then, only once we have all of them in place, we start tightening them a little bit more. So the old school wants to have this screw to be tight, then this and that, so in a cross. Okay, we are almost done. What is this? What is that thing? Little piece of dirt. Okay, so the heat sink compound. Okay, let's close it. We don't need it anymore. No, we need it again for the fourth module. Okay. Let's put the cream. Again, also here. Okay, so this was up, left. Okay. Let's move it a little bit like this, so the two parts of the creams engage each other. This one goes here. Okay. So hopefully this is the last one. Okay, let's check it up right. It was this one. Okay, the screws. So now I see that the number of spare screws is decreasing, so we are using all of them. Screwdriver. One, two, three, and four. One doesn't go. This one doesn't go. Okay, let's try with this one. This one goes. One, why it doesn't go? I see, it's a little bit misaligned. Let's try again. Okay, now it goes. 2, 3, 4, and now let's tie them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we have to put this. It doesn't go, so let's remove this, all of them. This was completely undone. Also this one, okay, doesn't matter. We'll put them back later in place. Okay. We are almost there. Okay, this one goes here. Okay. Okay, everything's aligned. So we have those screws. So one is here. Okay. 1. 2. 3. 'Okay. It looks like that everything is okay, but we have 2 screws. Okay. So the process of repairing this generated 2 screws from the nothing. Okay. Let's put everything back. Now, who remember if this was here or here. So 12 volts, 12 volts, so they are probably the same. So if I have to choose, I choose to put it here. Then we will check with the voltmeter. Okay, this goes here. Now this one. Okay, these are opposite. Red, red, black, red and black. Okay, this screw is painted in blue. So it means that it's not an internal screw because it has the same color of the case. So we should find a place for this screw. Ah, here it is. This one. Okay. Maybe like this. Okay, and now I see also there was this one, and so we put this other screw here, like this. It doesn't go. It's misaligned, so let's try to align it like this. Okay. Okay, now it goes. So very good. Nothing is missing. Nothing is extra. And then we can test it.